Today we was putting a bridge deck on. We just finished up just now, just waiting for the last cleanup load on it. We poured 348 yards on one of the last decks of 4 structures that we've built on this job.
So Southern Parkway is kind of the first project that, we bid that in December of 19, and William, Charles, myself got out here in basically October 1st. So we had basically known each other for a month and a half. It was kind of a hodgepodge at bid time. It's like they used the software we didn't, that the William Charles group, so we all merged together, had a meeting, figured out the best way to bid that job, and we got it by $9,000 on a 40, at that time it's up to $49 million now, but it was a $46 million bid. So we got the job by $9 grand. You can't get any better than that. So then we started the project. The project has gone very well. We were able to bring our equipment fleet to be able to perform the work, all our scrapers, all our haul trucks, all our backhoes, and combine it with the equipment that we had out here. We brought in some resources as far as operators, laborers, and mixed in so we could have an A-team out there because it had 1.5 million yards to move and 4 bridges and all that stuff. So the job was just under 9 miles, fresh out in the middle of nowhere. Half of it was in basalt rock, which is one of the hardest, it's a lava rock, which is one of the hardest rocks anywhere. And then the other half was in the sand dunes, essentially. So you were dealing with kind of different materials and different challenges with the materials. So yeah, the 1.5 million, basically the biggest cut was 60 feet. And then it kind of did some rolling hills where you were cut and fill, and it was all had to be blasted. And then we took whatever excess rock that we blasted, but we're making all of our aggregates on the job. So we never went to an outsourced aggregate. We used our own equipment, our own people, everything to make the aggregates, move the aggregates, and same with the dirt. So no, it was a challenging job, just in the fact that you had a lot of different materials and aspects you were dealing with. It was a challenge, but we did very well.
William Charles came in and they said that this is what we're going to do. Within months we had this $50 million job. We picked up railroad bridge jobs back in New Mexico. We picked up 4 or 5 jobs in Las Vegas. It was just click, 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 and it was like, okay, I guess they're here to play. There's a lot of support with William Charles. If we need a piece of equipment, here it is. Everything they've said they was going to do, is actually came through. So it was an awesome feeling.